Welcome to AssistEdge RPA how-to video series. In this video, we will learn to define the input load for an automation. Load generation is the process of generating load in the form of automation request for an automation process. It involves creating a load generator process. A load generator process is used to generate load by sending inputs from an upstream system to an automation process. Each input load sent from a load generator process to an automation process generates one unique transaction. Each unique transaction generated for each input ensures if an automation breaks in between, then only that particular transaction for that automation request fails, and the automation still executes for the other load inputs. The load is sent to the automation profile queue and is picked up by the automation bot one by one. Generating load includes the following steps: creating a load generator process in Automation Studio, defining the input load for an existing automation, executing the load generator process by an automation robot. In this video, we will understand the second step of load generation, that includes defining the input load for an existing automation. The stock finder automation automates the steps of finding the stock price of various companies. This automation expects the company name as an input, accesses the Google web application to find the stock price, and finally saves the stock price in an Excel file. The stock finder automation process is published in the stocks profile. In this example, we will define the input load in the stock load process for the stock finder automation. Let's look at sending company name as an input from the stock load process to the stock finder automation. As a first step, verify the input expected by the stock finder automation. The stock finder automation expects company name in the form of string as an input. Open the stock load generator process. The stock load process should read the input company name from the stock inputs Excel file and should send it to the stock finder automation. In the toolbox, click Files to expand the Tools section. Drag the Excel loop activity and drop onto the process canvas and connect it with the start node of the process. Bind the Excel loop with the stock inputs Excel file, sheet 1, and check has headers. Verify if the Excel headers have been configured. Double-click the Excel loop activity to open it. Place the trigger activity inside the Excel loop activity. To do this, cut the trigger activity from the process canvas and paste it inside the Excel loop activity. In the trigger activity, click Settings. Click Input Mapping to align the parameters of the stock finder automation with the parameters of the stock load process. In the Process Arguments mapping screen, map the comp name input parameter of the stock finder automation with the input company name parameter of the stock load process. Click Confirm. Click Save to save the process. That's all from this how-to video. In the next video, we will understand how to execute the load generator process by an automation robot. Thank you.